Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Terry, your host, and in this episode we're going to take you to a one-of-a-kind Harley-themed motel. This place is so fun that any motorcycle rider would enjoy this unique motel to spend some time at. If you've watched our channel before, thank you for coming back. If this is your first visit to the channel, you will soon learn that I never planned just a basic road trip. There is going to be something different and unique to see and experience. Like the time we took our bikes on a cruise ship and rode the islands, or when we went to a popular Harley movie location along Old Route 66. And there's even the unique spot in Arizona that Harrison Ford just happened to visit the day after we left. If you want to find out more about these awesome places and experiences, then you know what you need to do. You need to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these amazing trips. So back to this amazing motel built for bikers. If you're planning a trip to Zion and Bryce National Parks in Utah, then you'll want to see about staying at this biker's paradise. It's located in Hatch, Utah, between Zion and Bryce. The Galaxy of Hatch, which is the name of the motel, is a 1950s motorcycle-themed motel and diner. The theme here is bikers, burgers, and beds, and the Galaxy of Hatch has all three covered. If you love bikes and burgers, you've come to the right place. The motel offers 7 Harley Davidson themed rooms for your overnight stay. Each room has 2 queen-size beds and is decorated floor to ceiling with Harley Davidson and motorcycle-inspired items. Instead of a typical dresser, you'll find a heavy-duty tool chest for your clothing and other items. No detail has been overlooked here, from the motorcycle mural to the ceiling fan with flames painted on it. This is a motorcycle lover's paradise. Even in our room, we had an old-time gas pump that was our refrigerator. Stop by the Galaxy Cycle Shop to pick up t-shirts, gloves, and other accessories. The shop always offers full service for a tune-up. Next to the motel, you'll find the Galaxy Diner, an old-school diner straight out of the 1950s. The walls of this charming little diner are filled with tons of Hollywood memorabilia, and you'll love the Wurlitzer jukebox. The food is great, too. Try a juicy burger for lunch or dinner when you first roll in, and grab a filling breakfast before you hit the road. While we stayed here, we watched many a biker ride by, and boy, you could have thought their head was going to fall off when they realized what they just passed. It's worth checking out. And to stay here in between Zion and Bryce, it gives you a nice resting point in the small town of Hatch. I hope on your next trip out to Zion and Bryce, you take the opportunity to experience the Galaxy of Hatch. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next adventure. Take care, ride safe, and enjoy life. Remember, life's too short, so let's go ride.